How to fix Capcut no internet problem. Now, from the word itself, no internet problem error, it should have, or the problem is usually coming from your internet service provider. So, say if you're currently using a Wi-Fi, ensure that you have a maximum amount of signal right here. Now, if not, then all you have to do is just to turn on your airplane mode for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on and try to rerun your Cupcat application once again. If not, then you just have to try and do a troubleshooting from your specific or your direct router itself. Turn it off and turn it back on from the outlet and try to run your CapCut application again. If you're also using your mobile data, ensure that you have enough or if you have sufficient amount of load credit so that you will be using CapCut application without any problems in here. So if you already downloaded CapCut, then all you have to do next, if you're still encountering that specific problem, you just have to double check and ensure that you're currently using the latest version. Just head over to your Google Play Store, look for the CapCut application, and update button is going to be visible in there. You just have to ensure that you're currently using the updated version so that you'll not encounter any problems. And those are the steps that you can troubleshoot to for you to fix CapCut no internet problem.